So I think Autodesk and Ultimaker share the same vision of making 3D printing accessible to everybody. And while we both have solutions that are easy to access, they also produce very high quality results. So if you look at an Ultimaker machine, you will see it's very easy to set up. You can run it everywhere in the world, but at the same time, it will produce professional great results. And with our CAD platform, Fusion 360, we have the same vision of being able to have an easy entry solution, but we can produce good results at the same time. And with connecting Ultimaker and Fusion, we just think it makes a lot of sense because you have less friction. So for the customer, it's a lot easier to go through the whole process. And I think the main point is the data chain. So you don't have to deal with different data sets, store them on a hard drive, go to the printer, plug them in and so on. But you have the central library, the Ultimaker Digital Factory, and we connect directly to that with Fusion 360. And this means all data is stored in a central location, and you can always access this, review it, and go back to the Fusion design software to make a change or print it. And so this means if I have designed, let's say, a spare part, and my colleague in Mexico wants to print it, they can do this through this distributed platform without the need of sending emails back and forth that contains the STL and so on. So I think this is the main value for our integration.